Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're working on a 991.2 GT3. So this is a good friend of mine's car, and it already has a few upgrades, but today we're going to be installing a BBI Autosport adjustable thrust arm for the front, and this is the stock arm that we just removed from the car. As you can see, it's non-adjustable. So because we already have some other upgrades on the car, we want to be able to fine-tune the wheel alignment and some caster in the front, so we're going with this upgraded arm here. So hopefully that will correct some of the handling issues we have on track, and I think it will be great. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to install a Brembo GT kit on an F80 M3. It's a direct bolt-on kit, so no modifications required. It should only take us a few hours to get this kit in, and the customer can already be enjoying the extra brake performance. So now get out of here and let us do our work. Hey guys, so we just finished installing the brake kit on the F80 M3. As you can see, everything's ready to go. We've bled it with the proper fluids and also gave the car a quick engine oil service. So see you next time.